वॉलंटियर कर सकेंगे आप हमारे साथ? कब से आ रहे हैं? हमारे पास जो काम है वो ये है कि आप लोग उर्दू समझती हैं?
हाँ समझते हैं।
ठीक है। हमारे पास जो काम है वो ये कि हम डिफरेंट पोर्टल्स क्रिएट कर रहे हैं डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स के ऊपर, क्योंकि इल्म को मुश्किल बनाया हुआ है इस वक्त हासिल करने के लिए। तो हमारी कोशिश ये हो रही है कि हम ऐसी पोर्टल्स बना दें कि अगर कोई आदमी कहे जी मुझे कंपनी रजिस्टर करनी है तो वो किताब भी ख़रीदे बगैर चाहे इंटरनेट पे एक साइट पे जाए, क्लिक करे, उसको सारी डिटेल पता ऐसी कंपनी बनाई जाती है। ठीक है, कोई भी हासिल कर जाएगा। फिर जब ये साइटें बच जाएंगी तो हम इनकी DVD रिलीज़ कर देंगे। उस DVD से क्या होगा कि मोबाइल की दुकानों पे अवेलेबल होना शुरू हो जाएंगी। फिर मोबाइल की दुकान को जाके बोलेगा भाई ये कंपनी कैसे बनाते हैं, वो वीडियो उसके मोबाइल पे डाल देगा। ठीक है, तो देख सकेगा, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आसान हो जाएगी। सो इसके अंदर लॉ भी एक हमारी साइट है जो लॉ से रिलेटेड हम डेटा जमा करना चाहते हैं। आज एज अ पाकिस्तानी मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तानीज डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ द लॉ, दे डोंट नो if we are doing this is right or wrong, they don't know. So I want a website where people can email and ask law questions, then we make videos of that answer, make it available publicly and share it among other people, so that if it is wrong information which you have as a lawyer, again you take references of law. Law means written law, so explaining the written law. As a citizen of Karachi, how do you do this, how do you do that, what is the law, what is the law of breaking street, how do you break a street, how do you complain street lamp, whatever the problem might be. Every citizen is having some kind of problem, so making the answers available on a particular portal so that they can go and easily find out this is the correct answer according to the law, so that nobody breaks the law. If they still break the law, then it's their choice that they want to break the law. If there is a pauper on the street, अगर कोई फ़कीर है तो क्या लॉ क्या कहती है हमें नहीं मालूम, मुझे तो नहीं मालूम, आपको मालूम है? भीख मांगना अलाउड है या दिस अलाउड है, हमें नहीं मालूम, मुझे तो नहीं मालूम. So what is the story behind it? We put it on a video, we put it available. That's what we want to be. One. Similarly, construction business. Now, if suppose your mother wants to build a wall here, what is the law about it? How do you go about? मतलब अम्मी को बोलेंगे जी इतनी बड़ी दीवार है, हाँ जी इसमें 50 बोरी सीमेंट लगेगी, अम्मी को क्या मालूम, हाँ जी इतनी 50 बोरी लगेगी. तो वी वांट टू एजुकेट अम्मीज that अम्मी this is how much it will approximately cost, this is approximately इतनी सीमेंट लगेगी, इतनी बजरी लगेगी, इतनी ये लगेगी. अगर आपको उल्लू बना रहा है तो आप उल्लू ना बने, क्योंकि हम डेटा अवेलेबल जब कर देते हैं ना तो उल्लू खुद ब खुद नहीं बना सकता. तो कोई कहता है कि जो सबसे अच्छा क्योर होता है वो रोशनी या सूरज की रोशनी जब आप डाल देते हैं, ओपन कर देते हैं चीज़ को, तो खुद ब खुद बैक्टीरिया गायब हो जाता है वहाँ से. So that's what you want to do. If you are available, you can go to rehantraining.com, do the WordPress training and start with us on, we'll give you the 2 websites, you can start building those websites up for us. But you have to be punctual in whatever you do. If you want to even volunteer, you have to be punctual on those hours. And again, what is the word जो किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में जाते हैं तो उसके साथ उल्लू बनाते हैं, उसकी पिटाई करते हैं, रैगिंग तो करते हैं, बट एक चीज़ में ऐड एंटर होने के लिए फिटर्निटी. तो यहाँ पे जो फिटर्निटी है ना वो बहुत बदमाश है. इस कंपनी में बहुत सारे लोग बड़े बदमाश हैं, तो ये उनका बादशाह है. बट फिटर्निटी में एंट्री होने के लिए और ये बड़े बादशाह तैयार हो रहे हैं, तो ये दोनों रैगिंग बहुत करते हैं. So you need to learn how to deal with that also. When you work with a team, sometimes they're wrong, sometimes they're right, but sometimes you just have to
be patient
and make it work through. Yeah. So that is what I am right now facing a problem from these 2 gentlemen. And
इनकी ट्रेनिंग नहीं कराई आपने?
वो नहीं करा था. इनकी ट्रेनिंग बहुत कराई है. ये वो कुत्ते की डंग होती है, गटर के अंदर डाल दो ना 100 साल तक, फिर भी निकल तो कुत्ते की पाइप में डाल के आपको फिर नहीं हाँ वो भी फायदा नहीं, हीटों के सरदार है. सो ये प्रॉब्लम है. बाकी ये मसला है. ठीक है दोस्त, तो आप आना चाहें, आपके पास वॉलंटियर का कोई फॉर्म है, प्रिंट निकाल दो, साइन अप करा दो. आप भी वॉलंटियर करना चाहते थे, आपकी इनकी मीटिंग हो गई थी. अच्छा जी, ये इन्होंने ये हमारी हेल्प करेंगे वर्चुअल फुलटाइम ग्रुप और स्कूल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम को पूरा फेसबुक पे ले जाना है. तो कब से आ रहे हो? तो चले जाते ना भगोड़े 6 बजे 5:59 गायब.
सैटरडे ऑफ होता है, सैटरडे संडे हो सकता है.
सैटरडे संडे नहीं था. आप स्काइप अलाउड है ऑफिस में? फ़ोन तो अलाउड है ऑफिस में आपके? तो आप फ़ोन पे कर दें, स्काइप पे कर दें, फेसबुक पे कर दें. आप इंट्रोड्यूस, आप अपना लैपटॉप लें, इनको ऐड कर लें, इनको अपनी टीम से इंट्रोड्यूस कर दें, तो ले जाएं आपके साथ. तो एक प्रोग्राम बनाएं, सॉफ्टवेयर दिखाएं और बताएं किस तरह टाइम लगना चाहिए, कितना टाइम लगना चाहिए, और उसको लाइन कर लें. दूसरा, मैं एक हैकाथॉन कराने में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ पाकिस्तान में, कराची में. ठीक है, हैकाथॉन पे स्टडी करो कि क्या होती है, और मे बी यू कैन लीड दैट. इफ यू, बिकॉज यू लुक लाइक यू आर ड्रूलिंग आउट, तो पैशन जो है ना बाहर निकल रहा है, इतना ज़्यादा है. तो हैकाथॉन से क्या होगा कि अच्छा हैकर या अच्छा प्रोग्रामर सामने आएगा कि हम अच्छे हैं कौन, राइट. बिकॉज डिग्री तो होती है लेकिन वो अच्छे नहीं होते. हैकाथॉन के बाद उनको हम यहाँ हैकाथॉन करेंगे, टारगेट देंगे, वो अचीव करेंगे तो फिर 20,000 पे ज़्यादा नाम भी देंगे. तो हैकाथॉन करो, एंड सो दैट वी नो कि व्हाट्स हु आर गुड पीपल एंड वी विल हायर देम आल्सो. अच्छा जी, तो you have done project management, same, exactly same.
Not exactly same.
Okay.
And only human resource I did. I don't get project.
Human resource.
Yeah.
I don't know. Introduce yourself.
Suad Rahman Sheikh from Karachi.
Suad.
Yeah. From Karachi.
Science. Suad.
Yeah, Suad. Seen. Saada.
Okay.
From Karachi University, DFAM. I'm class fellow to her. And only I do some simple courses like human resource or some seminars. I went to some seminars.
Nurse.
No, seminars.
Workshops.
Yeah, workshops.
Okay.
Different.
Do you know how to use Microsoft Project? Do you know how to use the software Microsoft Project?
Yeah, Microsoft. I know.
Microsoft Project.
No. Project, no. Microsoft.
Okay. Is it Microsoft Project or some other name?
Microsoft Project.
Okay. Can you learn that on YouTube?
Yes.
Okay. We need a project manager right now who can take care of our project as project manager, who can tell us the progress. So that is available. We need one full-time sales support person for Somalia, and not necessarily. If they're Somalis, I think that's great. Then we need a person who can translate our content into Arabic. And Somali right now, no, I am not really interested in that. But if there's somebody volunteering, we can, because we don't have any content right now, even in Urdu. So that's taking too long to produce. Somali reason being is because you will need a syllabus from Somalia. You will need to take on a school. If you can find us a school from Somalia who will be able to adopt Rehan School's content, then we ask them to ship us a book from Somalia of Somali language. Then we convert that into videos. Another thing which I was telling to Alona earlier was, I met a very interesting young gentleman yesterday, and I don't know if you guys know, when we are born, connections are made in our brain. We are born with 100 million cells. What is good?
We know that.
Okay, I didn't know that. So, and when we start learning, those connections are formed in our brain. Okay, they are called somewhat neuronal connections. I might be wrong in saying all that. Point here is, the more connections you have in your brain, the more you are smarter. It doesn't mean. So similarly, in social media or in life, I personally think and believe that the more connections you have in life, the more smarter you are and more successful you will be in being a better human being. To me, being alive means being a better human being. If you can't be a better human being, then there is no point in being alive. So the moment you stop learning, you're literally, you're not growing anymore, so it's better off you. Assalamu alaikum. So now social media allows us today to connect and also remain connected to the people who you have learned from. So for example, 50 years ago, if you met a person in China and you met a person and that's it, you can no longer connect or learn or engage with them anymore. But today, you can take their email, you can take their phone number, and you can connect them on Facebook, and you can stay in touch with them. Like for example, around in 1994, I was in Australia. I met 3 really great friends. Now they were so great. I wanted to stay with them. I spent weeks with them, and one guy who was Japanese, I spent a month with him. His name was Hiroshi Hasegawa. Now I remember his name. I googled it. I Facebooked it. I couldn't find him still. The other 2 guys, one was a Fiji person and one was a Hindu Indian person. Now these 3 people I have lost connections with. Now I miss them desperately because I think they were great human beings who were very kind to me, but I have no connections with them anymore. So what Facebook allows us to do is, if you meet a nice person, you can still remain connected with them and keep on that love, that affection for them, for the life that we have remaining. Similarly, if in real life nowadays, for example, we know people, all of us know people. You have cousins, uncles, family, रिश्तेदार सबके हैं. हम लेकिन लोगों से मिलने नहीं जाते. If we could get our uncles and family on Facebook, even if we are not going to meet them, we're constantly learning from them and we're constantly teaching them. So for example, we went to PTV today. We saw the general manager. The general manager was not using Facebook, but he knew me because of Facebook. He added me on Facebook a year ago. Now, this is what I'm trying to tell you, that from start to completion, it takes a lot of time. But because he knew me on Facebook, he has maybe in 2 months seen a picture of me on Facebook. When he opened up, because he doesn't use Facebook, he opened maybe once 3 months. But it is better than 0. He sees my photo. अगर एक दफ़ा भी 6 महीने में देख रहा है, एक दफ़ा भी 3 महीने में देख रहा है, तो he still remembers my face, right? So now, because of that remembering of the face, he's constantly seeing, oh, I met this guy, he was nice to me. Let me see what he's doing. Now, क्या कर रहा है आजकल? And today, he was the one telling others what I do. I had to sit quiet, sit relaxed. He was doing my job of telling what I do, how bad or good I am, and vice versa. Now the other 2 people who I met, I also met them a year ago, but they were not on Facebook at that time. Those 2 women which we met, they were not on Facebook. One of them today is on Facebook, the other one still is not on Facebook. Now both of them rejected me constantly. They were not ready to listen to anything which I was saying because they had no idea who I was, where my background was, my philosophy was, nothing. But if they were on my Facebook, today they would have treated me in a totally different way, because they would have seen over the period of 1 year smaller drops of information which would have allowed them to give me 5 minutes. Now, I have not met you before, but I think you respect me and I respect you as a person. आप मुझे आज मिले हैं, लेकिन आप मुझे मेरा काम देखते हुए आ रहे हैं. So you are still, you know about me, even though you don't know about me, you never met me. But you have an aura about me, you have an understanding क्या हो रहा है, you know, सब कुछ आपको समझ में आ जाता है. So what I'm trying to tell you both, especially, and Alona again ran away, is to build your network. Now on your Facebook, I'm pretty sure that there is not more than 10% people who are Pakistani.
No, I have more than that.
20%?
Majority is Pakistani.
Subhanallah. Good. Good job. And you?
I have Somali few. I have. That's a problem.
Good.
10 to 20%.
And rest are Somali?
I mean, no.
Rest
Somali
are-
is Arabic from.
Okay. Now, again, Alona ran away. Alona has joined us yesterday. She's a Filipino. He has 198 friends. Majority is Filipinos.
That's good.
So,
No, we want to
when you
contact.
say good, it means good to us. It doesn't mean what you are trying to say. You're saying, okay. So, please try to say, okay, or acknowledge it rather than saying good. When you say good, means you understand everything, right?
For me, I love to learn the people, other countries, to learn more from them than my country.
So now,
That's exactly.
now, being a Filipino, now while we were coming just now, Shady was telling me that there is a dish in Philippines. You have to kill the bird in the hen with a stick, kill it, and when it dies, you eat it.
That's the dish.
That's a dish
dish, yeah.
you eat. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
For them maybe it's good, but for us it's like, oh wow. Yeah.
But that is not good.
But again, that's
Yeah.
not true. But the problem is that he didn't know any Filipinos before that, and he didn't even have an opportunity to confirm that. However, he confirmed it also. Now, if he had 500 Filipinos on his Facebook, he shared that on his Facebook, what will happen? People will hit him till he dies, saying, no, this is wrong. Just by knowing other people, the connections help you out. So it's extremely important that all of us who are sitting here try to, like, I want to make at least 10 friends in every single country in the world. At least, right? That would be great. Because now, even if I have not been there, I know so much more about them. I've never been to Philippines, but I know, Makati City and Cebu and Cebu and Dedu,
Yeah.
who knows.
In Arab we study the geographic in Filipino, and I know many Filipino there in hospitals. I see them.
Great. So
I
now,
know, yeah.
the point is she has no people except Filipino. Then she was even married to a Pakistani. She still don't know many Pakistanis. Amount of Pakistani she knows less than she knows Filipino, which makes her scared of the unknown.
Sir, I can tell you the story. I know one Chinese girl now.
Okay,
and,
we will record the story. And because I have to run,
Okay.
I'll finish my story, then you start the story.
okay. It's simple.
My point is, request number one to all of you, if you have learned anything today, is for God's sake, grow your network and know people outside your network, so that if you hate Jews, you go and make friends with Jews on Facebook and ask them, hey, this is true? And you ask them, and then they will tell you, no, it's not true. Because all the stories we have been fed in our brains is by a person who has not been friends also with those people, and he has just been telling us stories. If it was so bad, why would God allow us to marry a Jewish person? Think about it. So that's all I wanted to say today. Thank you all for coming. I want to continue. I want you guys to go and continue your meeting, please. Go, Jai. We have to go for the 13th thing. Today? So unless anybody has any questions, I would like to take your leave. Yes, sir.
Why do you want to start 1 million business?
Because I'm crazy? Is that good enough answer?
No.
No. Because I think poverty is a big problem in Pakistan, and I want to do something which will allow at least 1 million people to be empowered. That's why I want to start it. I don't know if it makes sense.
So you want to get rid of this poverty?
Not just Pakistan, but starting in Pakistan, yes.
So what's the basic idea behind this?
Basic idea behind this is to get rid of poverty.
I don't think so.
No? What do you think?
Make money, simple.
Then why am I not taking the money in my pocket? Why am I giving it back to
No,
family?
some other way you are taking money.
So, add me on Facebook, keep watching me, keep an eye on me so that you make sure I don't take the money to my pocket.
Okay, let's see.
Help me out. क्योंकि शैतान तो सबके साथ लगा हुआ है, सब भी एकदम लग सकता है कि ओए तूने बोला था पैसे नहीं कमाएगा, you क्यों कमाएगा? And is there anything wrong with making money, by the way? Is there anything wrong to make money? Is it wrong to make money?
No, it's not.
So then,
But you're asking help to the people there to come and record your lessons and do, and you just upload these videos on your social website and on and on.
correct. That is
Somehow
wrong.
you are earning means you will ask for the
But so far everybody
for
was
the
given-
advertisement for their products, to put their ads on their website. The people who are logging into your
I
websites and
understand.
earning.
So far we have, everybody who has made us videos, we have paid for it.
No.
So far we have not had volunteer as in volunteer. So far we have been paying our volunteers also to work with us. So they have been working as intern or a product manager. We have not had any volunteers so far. Now if that happens, that's great. If still doesn't happen, we still will keep on doing that.
I don't know.
We do plan to make money on some of the products. We don't plan to make money on everything, and that's how it is right now. Maybe it will change, but it's something we're doing, and you're more than welcome to do something similar. Like you're a branding guy, right? So you can do something similar. What's your name again? So I'm putting everything Rehan something, right? So you can put Junaid something or whatever. Like what was the company name?
Grace Internet.
So you can have Grace Bank, Grace Airline, Grace Pakoda, and we are willing to give all that information which we are capturing for free. So you're more than welcome to take what we have learned and adopt it to your own money making thing, because there are 4 billion people we want to help, not just 1 million. 4 billion is a lot of people. Even if I had a million, I need at least 4,000 like me to make a million to cater to 4 billion. So the scale of the problem is really huge. So what I want to do is I want to open up the whole process so that you can go ahead and copy it. So we're not hiding anything, we're sharing everything. We're saying, okay, this is how we started it. And everything we have done so far, you can go to our RAW channel, on RAW video recording channel. You can see what we're doing, everything. Since we're not hiding, हम कुछ छुपा नहीं रहे हैं. जब कुछ छुपा ही नहीं रहे हैं तो सब कुछ खुला हुआ, हमारा दफ्तर भी खुला होता है. जब कोई आदमी छापा मारना चाहे देखिए, कैमरे लगे वो इंटरनेट पे नशर करें. So we're not hiding anything, and even if we are making money, which you think it is, it's fine. I don't think anything wrong with that. We're not taking any money or donation from anyone. कि जी आप हमें पैसे दें, हम ये करने जा रहे हैं. We're not doing that. So once you learn more about us, you will, maybe that will go, maybe it will still be there, which is fine. You're the first person who said that on my face. I'm really thankful to you. To him, to you. So again, nice meeting you. And again, keep an eye on us. Can I have my cards?
Yes.